Muriel helps you build memorial websites, and in this video, we'll show you how to add unlimited photos of your loved one to our platform. In the memorial page builder, you want to scroll to the gallery section. Click on this Manage Photos button. Then in this uploader box, upload your photos, and that's it. Visitors of the memorial page will see the photos in a slideshow-like presentation. If you want to reorder the photos, you click on this button, Manage Uploaded Photos. A pop-up to arrange the order of the photos will show. Simply drag and drop to manage the photos. Nowadays, it's not rare that most of our photos are not in our desktop or laptop, but it's actually in our mobile phone. If that's you, here's what you can do. Click on this Upload Photos from Mobile button, and the QR code that you can scan from your mobile browser will show. Scan that with your phone's camera and follow the link to upload the photos there. It will sync with the memorial page builder and it will show in the gallery section. That's all. That's how you upload unlimited photos in Muriel.